No purpose of trap.
So hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. On this video I'll be, y'all realize that I always do crazy shit. Alright, so anyway, on today's YouTube video I'll be doing, I'ma eat this nigga. That came out wrong. That came out very wrong. Okay, I'm gonna eat this egg. But I'm not gonna eat it with a shell because that's just even nastier. I'm just gonna like crack it and shit and like put it in a cup and then, ugh. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's what I'm doing for my birthday. I couldn't really bother going out because I went out like yesterday with my niggas and shit. It was great, but yeah. So anyway, let's get right into this. Alright guys, so this is the egg. Alright, no, like actually I think I have to go to this outside because there's like a 90% chance so I'm going to spit this out. I'm going to say, oh shit, I'm not do this. I'm going to spit this shit out. And that's why I'm not do it in my room because I don't want to go in my room smell raw like egg and thing and, you see me? So, let's go outside. Okay guys, so this is where I have to do it. Outside because I don't want the place to like get messed up and shit. But like, alright, this is gonna be freaking nasty. So anyway. I mean, I gotta bless the food first, come on, man. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh god. Alright, the shit what me do for now. Entertainment and this shit. I really think saying a word. Oh god, that not it. Alright. If you have one freaking raw egg in your mouth is the most disgusting feeling. Like, you just a chew and you don't know where the fuck you are chew and it just feels so slimy and just, ugh. Alright, so I quit YouTube. Bye guys. Just kidding. I'm here to stay. So like please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Oh, and one more thing, like if you see like a bell thingy on this side or that side, like click that and you'll get notifications to my next video when I post it. So like peace and like thank y'all for watching.